What's the best way to drop weight quickly? I don't eat much, but I'm 320 pounds. You are the best. Oh, thank you so much, Tia. I like the name, Tia. Tia. Tia, it seems that you have a hormonal problem, because if you don't eat much and you're 320 pounds, definitely your endocrine glands are not working properly. So if I was trying to lose weight in your situation, I would be on a fruit-only diet to start. Okay, I mean mixed fruits, and I would use the adrenal gland formula. Here again, adrenals. Your weight gain problem, weight loss problem is adrenal glands and thyroid. So you need herbs for the thyroid, you need herbs for the adrenal glands, you need to clean up the liver, you need to clean up the bowels. The two main glands responsible though are the adrenals and the thyroid for weight loss. So use herbs for those, and use the fruit only cleanse. Go heavy on the kidney herbs, and when a few weeks later down the road, go on the lemon only cleanse. Okay, the lemon only cleanse will give you that kick you need. And the book I wrote was How to Lose Weight Even When You Think You Can't. Okay, it's the lemon only cleanse. And it's how to lose weight even when you think you can't. The lemon only cleanse, fantastic. It shows you how to lose the weight and keep the glands healthy.